Hi there, it's Marianne from Thrive Admin Services, and today I've put together a really quick video for you to give you an introduction to accessing Office or Microsoft 365 from your web browser using the office.com homepage and showing you some of the shortcuts and easy ways you can access your apps from there. So let's get started. So Microsoft offers a lot of options that are desktop based, but you can access everything through the web. And given that sometimes we're working on a Mac or a PC, or you may be trying to work in client accounts or working to show your team members or clients how to access something, I thought it was really useful to work in the web for you today. So we're going to start, so you open your web browser and you head to office.com, so office.com, and it will take you to this page. You may need to sign in with your email address and password, but once you've done it a couple of times, it may recognize you. Again, depends on your settings. I'm using Google Chrome today. So this is basically your dashboard. So if we hit the home button, that's where we are here. And it gives you some information here so that you can quick access a few tools. So it's got some recommended things based on content that you've been working on, and you can scroll through this and it will show you some of the other pieces you've been working on. And these are all based on the account that you're logged in as, of course. And then they've got some quick access things. So here I can view it. I can filter that quick access list by everything that I've worked on under the Microsoft banner recently, things that are recently opened, things that are shared between myself and a client that they may have shared with me, and anything that I favorited. Okay, so I usually have it on all. From here though, I can add to this panel and I can set a content filter. So if I knew that I specifically want to see things that have attachments or that are a particular type of document, I might say I want all of my Word documents together, all of my Excel documents, so that I can quickly access them from here. I can also upload from here as well, and it'll go to my local drive down on my computer, and I'll be able to upload and pull things into the cloud from here as well. So I can use this as another alternative for managing my content. I can also access all of the other features that are inside my Microsoft account. So from the sidebar here, I can create a document, a presentation. This will open the web version. So I can open a OneNote page, a quiz in Forms, etc. So some of these are purely web-based. Some of them will be the option that I would work either on the desktop or in the cloud. The other thing here is that it has a number of templates based on the different apps. So I could get started with something, and these will be updated all the time. So if you're not sure how you want to get started with a piece of content, this is a great way to make a start and then tweak and play with it from there. My content, so this is just another layout view of that main window where I can filter, and I can filter by keywords or by groups, and I can upload content. The apps, so these are all of the main apps that are included. These are the add-ins that you can include, and I can view things by different categories. Again, it's a slightly different interface instead of having to go through the app launcher and going to all apps. And then the ones that will sit here are the ones that you use all the time. So everybody's will look slightly different. I obviously go into Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint all the time, and I do use the admin setting quite often. So for me, my shortcut list here is a little bit different. And if I open this one, it will open it as a tab here, and it will then open my inbox. So if I'm looking to work on the web, I would always start with Microsoft 365's Home Center and then be opening the tabs from there. So I hope that this little walk around in this page has helped you see what's possible and get you to have a look at the ways you would like to use Microsoft 365 in your business. Whether you are on a PC, a Mac, a laptop, or a desktop, there's a way to access everything that you need.